Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to another episode of Fashion Forward, your go to source for the latest trends, style, tips, and must have fashion at times. Today, we are talking about something that is iconic, bold, and undeniably chic, the stiletto high heel sandal. Stilettos have always been a fashion statement, but today we are diving into the new stylish variations that are dominating the fashion world. From runway ready looks to everyday glamour, these heels are more versatile than ever. We shall take you through everything from the history of stilettos to the latest designs and even how to wear them comfortably. So let's jump right in. Let's start with why stiletto heels have become such a staple in the fashion world. There's something about that sharp cylinder heel that just screams confidence and elegance. Whether you are stepping into a corporate office, a dinner party, or even a casual day out, a pair of stiletto sandals can make you feel like you own the room. And what's not to love? These heels give your legs that elongated, sleek look, instantly elevating any outfit directly and figuratively. We have seen stilettos paired with everything from jeans and a tee for what casual chic look to glamorous gowns on the red carpet. But it's not just about aesthetics. There's a certain attitude that comes with rocking stilettos, bold, powerful, and feminine. Before we dive into the latest styles, let's take a quick trip back in time. Did you know that stilettos first made their mark in the 1950s? Designers like Christian Dior and Salvatore Ferragamo helped to popularize the look using the cylinder heel to create a silhouette that was both modern and timeless. Over the decades, stiletto heels have come and gone in fashion, but they always return stronger than ever. From the disco era of the 17th to the bold looks of the 90s. Stilettos have evolved with every generation, and now they are more diverse than ever, made in a variety of materials, colors, and heights to suit any occasion or personal style. Now let's talk about what's hot right now. Stiletto high heel sandals are taking center stage, especially with summer and spring fashion collections. Here are some of the standout trends you need to keep an eye on. Barely their stilettos. Minimalism is in, and these sleek strappy sandals are all about showing off your feet without too much force. Think thin, delicate straps that give the illusions of longer legs while keeping things light and breathable. Bold colors and patterns. Do not be afraid to step out of the box with bright hues like neon pink, electric blue, or fiery red. Animal prints and bold patterns are also making a big comeback, adding a touch of fun to any outfit. Clear vinyl and transparent heels. These are perfect for creating that barely their look with a futuristic twist. Color straps combined with clear heels are ultra modern and they go with everything. Embellish designs for those who love a little extra glam. Look for stilettos adorned with rhinestones, pearls, or metallic accents. These heels are perfect for evening events, wedding, or any time you want to make a statement. So how do you style these stunning heels? Let's break it down into different occasions and outfits so you can get the most out of your stiletto sandals. For casual daytime, if you are wearing stiletto during the day, you can pair them with a simple denim look. Try slam fit jeans, a flowy blouse, and a pair of nude or pastel stiletto sandals. It's a look that's laid back but still polished. For work, yes, you can wear stilettos to work. Go for a more structured heel that offers support and pair them with taller trousers or a chic pencil skirt. Opt for neutral colors like black, beige, or gray to keep things professional yet stylish. For evening events, here's where you can go all out. Pair your stiletto sandals with a statement cocktail dress or a long flowy gown. Embellished stilettos are perfect for adding that extra touch of sparkle to your look. For a night out, whether it's date night or a night with the girls, you cannot go wrong with a pair of bold stilettos. Try pairing them with a little black dress or something edgy like a leather skirt and crop top. Let's face it, stilettos are not exactly known for comfort, but that does not mean you have to suffer for fashion. Here are some tips to keep your feet happy while you rock those heels. Cushioning is key. Look for stilettos that have padded insoles to provide extra support, especially if you have been on your feet for long periods. Break them in. Never wear a brand new pair of stilettos for a long event. Try wearing them around the house for a few days before showing them off in public. Choose the right fit. Make sure your heels fit perfectly. Too tight and you have a blister, too loose and your feet will slip, making it harder to walk. Use inserts. Gel inserts or heel cushions can make a huge difference in comfort, reducing pressures on the balls of your feet. So there you have it, the complete guide to stylish stiletto high heel sandals. Whether you are looking to make a bold fashion statement or just want to elevate your everyday look, stilettos are a must-have in your wardrobe. Thanks for watching Fashion Forward fan. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest trends, styling tips and more. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite stiletto styles. Are you all about bold colors or do you prefer that minimalist web? We love to hear from you.